welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be show you how to do a split. So guys, if you are a beginner and want to do a split, this video will help you to get your split within a week. So all you have to do, just follow the routine and practice these exercises every day. So let's watch the video.
So friends, let's start with leg stretching. Straighten your leg and hold your ankles with your hands and try to hold your position for at least 30 seconds. Now bend yourself forward and try to hold your foot with your hands like this. This will make a deep stretch between your legs and your hamstring and make your legs even more flexible. Try to hold your position for at least 10 to 20 seconds. Hold on to your position and try to bend yourself more forward to make a deeper stretch between your legs and your hamstring, and try to touch your face to your knees like this. Those deep stretches will make your legs flexible and will make it easy to perform a split. Now let's go for the next exercise. Place your legs at some distance, then bend yourself forward and try to get your hands to the ground like this and try to stretch out your legs. You guys might feel pain between your legs, but you'll have to hold your position because if there's no pain, no gain. Now try to touch your face to your leg to make a deep stretch between your hamstring and your hips. If you can't touch your face to your legs, that's completely okay. Just try to hold in your position like this. Now we are going to practice lunges to get hips flexibility. Get your body in the low lunge position and try to hold in your position for at least 45 seconds. It is important to hold in your position for a little longer because it will help you to get your legs flexible and make it easy to perform a split. Now straighten your leg and make a half split and try to hold in your position for at least 30 seconds. This will make a deep stretch between your thigh muscles and your hips. Now try to touch your face to your knee like this. If you can't touch your face to your knee, that's completely fine. Just try to hold in your position. Now let's stretch out your other leg. Follow the same process as you have done before to stretch out your leg. It is important to stretch out both sides of your legs because it helps you to get your legs more flexible and make it easier when you perform a split. Practice these exercises every day until you get your legs flexible. Make your efforts and push your limits a little harder to achieve your goal. Now we are going to practice leg hold. Now bend your knee and bring it towards your chest like this. Hold it for some seconds, then hold your ankles and straighten your leg like this. Keep support your knee with your other hands like this. Then bend your knee and then straighten your leg again and try to pull your leg towards your head like this. Do these moves 4 to 5 times every day to make your legs flexible. Now switch the side and follow the same process to flex your other leg. You guys might feel it harder to pull your leg, but you'll have to grab your whole strength and make your efforts as much as you can. Now guys, we are going to do pigeon pose. Just bend your front leg and bring it forward and place it to the ground. Make sure your other leg should be straight like this and just hold on for at least 15 seconds. This is the most effective exercise to get your legs flexible even more faster. Now switch the side and let's flex your other leg. So now we are going to do performer split. I hope you guys ready to do this. Keep your legs at some distance and let's get in lunge position. Now try to move your front leg forward very slowly and try to straighten your legs. You guys might feel it painful doing this, but if you keep holding your position, I believe you'll get your split faster. And there you go, you did it.
So here the video ends. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any problem related to these exercises or to this video, you can mention your comments in the comment section so I can help you with that. And don't forget to share this video. So bye bye everyone. See you in the next video.